Okay, so we're going to take a look at installing a soft start on a legacy traditional single stage air conditioning unit. This particular high efficient unit is a 14 SEER. We're going to decrease the amount of current on startup and we'll see how efficient this thing runs.
In our kit, we're going to find some basic installation instructions, a bunch of connectors. Let's find a good location for it. So I got it in as good a location as I could, but still provided access to the entire electrical panel. The instructions refer you to go to SoftStartHome.com and select your brand so that you get equipment specific wiring, which is really cool. So you want to make sure to go there and check that out so that you get the exact application. Now let's fire this puppy up and see what we have as far as a difference. A noticeable change in the tone of the starting of the compressor. Okay, so conclusion, without the soft start, it had a peak inrush of 47.14 amps, and with the soft start, we had a peak inrush of 14.34. So, what's the conclusion? Well, the conclusion is, I love new technology, and this is absolutely a new technology, particularly for existing systems. When we look at inverter technology and the way that our industry is moving, we are very much dedicated to conserving electricity in as many ways as possible. All of our new inverters are doing soft start style technology to be able to stage the compressor and our motors in, instead of slamming them on all at once and creating a high inrush of current. So any opportunity we have to reduce the amount of inrush current on a motor, whether it is a motor moving air or a motor that's moving a vapor pump inside of a compressor, I am all for that. So you can see by our current draw, a very significant drop in the inrush of current, which means I can now use a simple component to be able to change the operation of a piece of equipment, to be able to allow that to be maybe started on a generator, or at least reduce the inrush of current on our electrical grid. And that is really what it's all about. So, do I like the soft start? Yeah, absolutely. So a wonderful addition to a single stage unit that gives it the ability to be a little bit more sophisticated and efficient.